Hi, I'm Angela with Freestyle Fashionista, and today I'm going to show you budget DIY shoes for a bride. I wanted to start off with a very basic shoe to show you don't need a glamorous shoe to get a glamorous look. The first thing you need to do is either go to your local craft store or hop online, buy a yard of rhinestone trim, and find a beautiful brooch, because we're going to be pairing these two together. The first thing you want to do is measure the trim around your ankle, cut the trim, and then take your brooch and you are going to pin it together, and that'll create a beautiful anklet for your shoe. And an idea for the rest of the trim that you have left over, you can use it as a bracelet or a necklace. And you could wear the brooch to the side or to the front, or you could put it in the back. All right, so that's tip number one. Tip number two, if you're afraid of it being too bulky and snagging, pick a flat applique trim. It comes by the yard. Cut two pieces off. You can go ahead and glue a piece on the front. You could leave it like that, or you can take another piece and glue it on the back and leave it like that. Or, one last little tip, you can buy a flower that maybe matches your bridesmaids, and you can clip that on the front of your shoe. Give your shoe a little punch of color, or again, you can always clip it on the back. And that is a few tips for budget DIY shoes for a bride. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Angela with Freestyle Fashionista. Have a great day.